Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important electromagnetic theory question that is from optics only. This optics belongs to the electromagnetic theory, right? So that is the polarization question. When it was asked in CSIR December 2011, this question was asked. This question belongs to the polarization. This question belongs to which one it is? This question belongs to the polarization, right? Polarization. So polarization or Malus law. This question belongs to the polarization or Malus law, right? In 1808, there is a scientist discovered one law. That law is the Malus law. First, you have to read the question. What is that question? You have to see. Consider the three polarizers are there. This is the polarizer 1. Now you have to take the polarizer 1. This one is a polarizer 2. This is the polarizer 3. So now three polarizers you have to consider placed along the axis as shown in the figure. So consider three polarizers P1, P2, P3 are placed along the axis as shown in the figure. So the path axis of P1, the path axis of P1 and P3 are right angles to each other. P1 and P3 are right angles to each other. Data I am writing. So the P1 and P3 are right angles to each other. So this one and this one we have to make it as a path axis must be right angles to each other, right? So next, while path axis of P2 makes with theta angle with the P1. So therefore, so the angle of P1 and P2, the path axis is equal to theta. So the path axis is equal to theta. A beam of unpolarized light, this is a unpolarized light, I naught is a beam of unpolarized light, I naught is incident through the P1. So therefore, the intensity of the emerging from P3, so maybe you have to take it as a I3, you have to consider this is I2, you have to consider this is the I1 you have to consider. Clear? So according to the Malus law, so what is your Malus law? Once you have to see, I want to take the fresh page I able to discuss here. According to the Malus law, what is the definition of the Malus law? The Malus law for a unpolarized light. So the Malus, according to the Malus law, I is equal to I naught into cos square theta. This is the according to the Malus law. So the Malus law for polarized light. Malus law for polarized light. This is the Malus law to whom? So polarized light. But we know that the Malus law for a unpolarized light is equal to I naught by 2. So that is, so I naught into the Malus law for unpolarized light is equal to, how we have to define I naught into the expectation value of cos square theta, that is going to take it as a I naught by 2. What is this? Is unpolarized light. You have to write it is unpolarized light. Your Malus law is I naught by 2, unpolarized light. So this is the I is equal to I naught by 2. Clear? Now you able to see our light is, which light it is? Unpolarized light. So our light is unpolarized light. This unpolarized light incident through the polarizer P1, there is a I1 is getting, that is the emergent light is I1. So therefore I1 is equal to what we have to write it is I naught by 2. This is the very important, based on the diagram what we have to write it is, so the emerging of the I1 through P1, so through P1 polarizer, so through P1 polarizer, so what we have to write it is I1 is equal to I naught by 2 we are getting. Clear? Now this is a polarized light. So now this is a polarized light. Now it is it become as a polarizer. It become as a unpolarized to polarized light, because we are using the polarizer we are using, that is a P1 polarizer we are using, that is why polarized light we have to get it. Next, so in between P1 to P2 there is a angle is there, that angle is theta. Now it is emerging out, so this emerging out, so this emerging out is I2. So therefore I2 is equal to what we have to write, once you have to see, I2 is equal to through what it is, through P2. So through P2, so there is a theta angle is there, that angle between the P1 and P2. So therefore I2 is equal to the incident angle I1 into cos square theta. So what is the incident angle? I2 is equal to, I1 is equal to I naught by 2 into cos square theta. Clear? I naught by 2 into cos square theta we have to write. Again you have to see our diagram. So according to our diagram, so what is this? P1 and P3 must be perpendicular to each other. The pass axis must be 90 degrees, correct? So now this is I3. I3 through whom it is coming? Through the P3 it is coming. So therefore how we have to write here, once you are able to see, I3 is equal to I2 into, this is the incident I2 into, we have to take it as a cos square, that angle is 90 minus theta, because 90 is a pass axis angle is there. So that is why we have to take that one is 90 minus theta, we able to write it is. So now you substitute I3 is equal to, I2 is equal to I naught by 2 into cos square theta. So cos square 90 minus theta is equal to sin square theta. Now you have to multiply with 4 and divided with 4. So therefore I3 is equal to I naught by 8 into 4 cos square theta. So cos square theta into sin square theta. So this one what we need to write, I naught by 8 into this 4 cos square theta into sin square theta. How we able to take it as a 2 sin theta cos theta whole square you have to write it is. So therefore I naught by 8 into 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin square 2 theta we have to write it is. So this is the I3. What is the intensity of the emerging light from the polarizer 3 is equal to I naught by 8 into sin square 2 theta, you able to get it. So what is your answer? Your option C is correct option you are able to take. 0 is not correct, I naught by 2 is not correct, I naught by 4 into sin square 2 theta is not correct, I naught by 8 into sin square, I naught by 8 into sin square 2 theta is correct. Clear? Like this we have to solve in our competitive examination. Our brain also should work. So our previous knowledge also should come into our brain. So then only we able to solve such type of questions. Clear? So already I am informing you. So every video I am giving the information. We started the CSIR and GATE physics content. So you have to download my app, that is Quantum Online Academy app. You have to download. In our app you able to see the course CSIR and GATE physics course is there, and JL physics and DL physics content, only physics content only. Now the mathematical methods of physics, it is purely recorded mode only. Now the live classes is completed, so it all recorded only. Now classical mechanics also completed, individual paper also is available. So if you want to take, you have to take the classical mechanics. Now the electromagnetic theory also almost 95%, the 98% of the core syllabus, only one topic is left behind, that is a charged particle in static and a uniform electromagnetic fields. That part only is left. Maybe tomorrow onwards I have to start that one. So within 2 days this entire the core syllabus of electromagnetic theory paper also available if you want to take this. So these 3 papers completed now. So the rest 6 papers are there. One paper we have to start. I kept the target. So this whole year I am keeping the classes, I am taking the classes, I am uploading in our app. So I am taking the live classes. If you want to join, you able to listen as a live class, like that live class only you able to listen. It is a purely online mode only. If you really likes my teaching, you have to take this course, you have to download my app. Otherwise you have to inform to your friends who are preparing the physics irrespective of competitive examination. Thank you so much. So please share and like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.